Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at an offering from our friends over at RGB Link. Now this is a capture card. This is going to allow you to stream, like they say right here, stream from anywhere to everywhere. That is outstanding if true. So we will be testing it. So in the box, let's take a look at exactly what we get in the box. So let's just quickly open this guy up and take a look at what we have. Now I have previously opened this, but I'll show you guys what you get. You get a little accessory box here. This is nothing big. This is just going to be your USB-C to USB-C cable for power. It does come with a power brick. That is refreshing to see because, you know, a lot of the companies do scrimp out on the power brick, and they actually provide you with a power brick for this device. Very well packaged, as you guys can see. Now, one of the things that I want to show you guys that is very impressive about this unit is how well it is made. This is an all aluminum housing, beautiful design. You have your LED light right here in the front. You have a 1/4-20 on this side for mounting. You have additional, we're going to come back to this. We have an additional 1/4-20 on this side. As you guys can see, we have venting to keep this guy cool all the way around. We have our record button right here. Now on the back here, this is where the magic happens. You have three, count them, 1, 2, 3 USB-Cs. You have your headphone input, microphone input. You have a full-size HDMI out. You have a full-size HDMI for loop, HDMI for in. You have an SS right here, so that means you can install like a thumb drive, and you have your Ethernet connection here as well. Now there's a smartphone app that you can use to control this, but in a nutshell, this is going to be ideal for using things like action cameras that have the ability to live stream, or perhaps you have something like our Pocket 3 over here. And even if you have some of the bigger cameras, which we'll take a look at here. So if you have like maybe one of the Osbot PTZ cameras, this is going to be great as well. Now this camera does have a full-size HDMI out. That's going to be very compatible with this, but it also has USB out. So it just depends on how you'd want to connect the camera to it. Now, when it comes to the Pocket, there is easy accessible ways of connecting this with the USB cable. Same is going to be for any of your action cameras. So I think starting out, just looking at what we have here from, you know, in the box, nice little rubberized feet under here, additional venting to help keep this unit cool. I think this is going to be a win, guys. This is going to be a great product for you guys to take a look at. Has your additional little indicator lights here on the front. I'll be doing more videos on this product, showing you guys how to set it up, how to use the smartphone app, and other features that I may find along the way. But I wanted to do this quick video showing you guys what comes in the box, how you'll be able to utilize something like this going forward. I think this is going to be great for my gamers out there, for my live streamers out there, whatever it is that you're doing, where you want to be able to instantly show content. Even mirrorless cameras that have HDMI out, like the cameras you guys see back here in the background. All of these cameras, guys, are going to be able to easily connect to this device. So if you have professional cameras or, you know, prosumer cameras, and you want to be able to live stream using all of those different devices, I think this is going to be a win. I think you guys are going to be very, very pleased. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.